Y, Z, E,
Can you tell me?
G, Y, and F.
Emmy, can you tell me what word I'm writing? What does that say? What word is that?
That one. Daddy.
Can you read that word?
Daddy.
What does that say?
Daddy.
No, it doesn't. What word is this? Read it.
H.
It has an H in it. It says F-I-S-H. Can you read that word?
It's mommy.
Mm-mm. What word is this, Emmy?
Frog.
Nope.
It's
Don't guess. Read it. Look. What does that say?
a fish.
A fish. Good job. Okay. What does this word say?
Mommy.
You're right. Those are my letters. You knew it before I even did it. Those are my letters. Okay, whose letters are these? Oops.
Enemy.
Yep, that's Emily's letters.
A plastic.
Okay, whose letters are...
Zaki.
Zachy. Good job. Okay, this is going to be difficult. We haven't practiced this one in a while. What word
This is good.
is that?
G.
Can you read that word?
Dog.
Dog. Good job.
Dog. Cat.
Okay, cat is C-A-T.
B. D. F. G.
Cat.
A. H.
Okay, Emmy. Can you read this word?
Who's this?
What is that word?
Who's this?
Who is that?
I think that's Mia or Tia.
Mia or Tia, the twins. What is that word, Emmy?
Daddy.
Daddy. Can you read this word again?
Emmy.
Emmy.
Daddy.
What word is this? Emmy.
Twisting.
What word is this?
I draw that.
You drew a circle around it.
I draw the one.
Good job.
Daddy one.